the altimeter, Juliet Alpha Juliet, and confirm hold 36.
Hold short of Lima.
Hold short Lima, American 1149. Ground subwing 9595, ready for taxi.
Subwing 9595, runway 26 left. Altimeter 3000, taxi Juliet Bravo Juliet, hold short Lima.
Juliet, Bravo, Juliet, short of Lima, subwing 9595.
Morning, 11:30.
Routing clear, translate.
7, clear takeoff runway 26 left.
Clear takeoff 26 left, Westjet 160.
Hotel Tango Mike Tower, surveillance service terminate, change on route frequency.
Hotel Tango Mike. Juliet, short of Lima, behind the runway Air Canada 102.
The 536 taxi Mike Tango to the east, just monitored. 95, contact ground 1217.
Subwing 9595.
Air Canada 202 Tower, Delta 7, line up runway 26 left.
Red 4 radio check.
Red 4 in.
Okay, Red 4, thank you. And a 202.
202, report the turn to me from Delta 7, clear takeoff runway 26 left.
We'll call you on the turn, clear for takeoff 26 left, Air Canada 202.
Blair 1888 Tower, Delta 7, line up runway 26 left.
Line up 26 left, Delta 7, clear 1888.
1316 Tower, Delta 9, line up runway 26 left. You're going to be number 2 to the 37 at Delta 7.
Alright, we'll line up and wait at Delta 9, Delta 1316, and we'll be flying the noise abatement departure today. Tower roll, try to go Highway 1 back eastbound.
Blair 1888 Tower, in the current contact departure from Delta 7, clear takeoff runway 26 left.
Clear takeoff 26 left, departure at the turn, clear 1888.
Canada 202 in the turn.
1,500 eastbound along the number 1 approved, RCC still in the city, running back at 1,500 feet.
Tower roll, try to go from 714. Air Canada 202 in the turn.
Air Canada 202, contact departure 132.3.
Have a good one.
Hotel Tango Mike, where are you calling?
That one's for Romeo, try to go.
Romeo Charlie Golf, what was the request?
Romeo, try to go Highway 1 back eastbound, please.
Romeo Charlie Golf, 1,500 eastbound along the number 1 approved.
Romeo, try to go. Good day, 1149.
Uh, 1316 from Delta 9, clear for takeoff for runway 26 left.
26 left, Delta 9, clear for takeoff, Delta 1316.
Ocean 103 and expected to 26 right.
03, Vancouver, good day. One call for land runway 26 right.
Land 26 right, Ocean 103.
Sir, 995 is ready.
Sir, 952, hold short, runway 26 left.
Just runway 26 left, 995. We'll try to go, we'll continue to the Alex 1200.
Romeo, Charlie Golf, proceed below the zone at your discretion.
Romeo, try to go.
And 952 Tower, Delta 7 line up, runway 26 left.
Right up to 6 left, Delta 7, 995. 16, contact departure 1323. 52 from Delta 7, clear for takeoff for runway 26 left.
Let's take off runway 26 left, 9952.
Westjet 702 tower at Delta 7, line up for runway 26 left.
By weight, 26 left, Westjet 702.
Vancouver Tower, good morning, Sir Canada 34 Heavy, Island 13 straight.
Yeah, 34 Heavy, Vancouver Tower, 1 calm, number 2, following at 37 a mile and a half final, clear to land runway 26 right.
Clear to land, 26 right, circuit mark, 34.
Westjet 901, Vancouver Tower, pocket end, altimeter 3000, cleared high to transit.
3000 for the high to transit, Westjet 901.
Westjet 901, tower identified.
Westjet 901.
Westjet 702 from Delta 7, clear for takeoff for runway 26 left.
Takeoff 26 left, Westjet 702.
Flare 9952, contact departure 1323.
Departure flare 9952.
Sunwing 9595, tower Delta 7, line up for runway 26 left.
Line up 26 left, sunwing 9595.
Vancouver Tower, hello, Encore 3290, ILS 26 right.
3290 Vancouver, 1 calm, number 2, behind a 777 short final cross your Xiamen, clear to land runway 26 right.
Clear to land 26 right, Encore 3290.
Zero 3, contact ground 1217.
Westjet 103.
595.
Westjet 702, contact departure 1323.
1323, good morning, Westjet 702.
Morning. Cal 102 Heavy, tower Delta 7, line up for runway 26 left.
Line up 26 left, Air Canada 102.
Vancouver Tower, Westjet 161, clear for the ILS 26 right.
Show 161 Vancouver Tower, 1 calm, number 2, 3 trail of a Q, clear to land runway 26 right.
Clear land 26 right, Westjet 161.
Heavy taxi, Mike Juliet, Juliet Bravo to the apron, it's monitor ground.
Mike Juliet Bravo to the apron, will monitor only, Air Canada 34.
2 from Delta 7, clear for takeoff for runway 26 left.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, Air Canada 102.
Sunwing 9595, contact departure 1323. 1149 tower, caution jet blast at Delta 7, line up for runway 26 left.
26 left, line up American 1149.
Westjet 901 tower, phone service terminated, change route frequency.
Return to Westjet 901.
3290, Mike 4, Mike Victor, Hotel Hotel.
Mike 1, Mike Victor,
Contact departure 1323. Nine wind 210 at 2 from Delta 7, clear for takeoff for runway 26 left.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, Delta 7, American 149.
Vancouver, 1 calm, clear land runway 26 right.
Clear land 26 right, 651.
Encore 3290, contact ground 127.
Shuttle with Delta 161.
149, contact departure 1323.
American 1149.
One contact ground 1217.
417, Westjet 161.
Delta 651, taxi, Mike Kenny to the apron, monitor ground.
3rd westbound Highway 1.
Delta Tango Mike, Vancouver to identify 3rd as requested.
Delta Tango Mike.
Romeo Charlie Golf, you're continuing eastbound.
Charlie Golf.
Romeo Charlie Golf, are you continuing eastbound?
Romeo Charlie Golf, affirmative.
It's surveillance service, terminate, change en route for Romeo Charlie Golf.
Romeo Charlie Golf. Tower Hotel Tango Mike requesting 180.
Hotel Tango Mike, 180 approved.
Thank you. Tower, change of time, like 6 goes to Harbor.
Hotel Tango Mike, roger. Surveillance services terminated. Contact.
Thank you, retired. Good morning. It's Citation Fox, November Fox on the visual 26 left on the Echo, and 140 left, 4 miles, 160 left, 4 miles.
Foxtrot November, Delta Foxtrot, Vancouver Tower. Good morning, clear to land runway 26 left.
Thanks, clear to land, 26 left, 4 Thank you, retired. Morning. It's Caravan Fox, Lima Alpha Charlie on the midpoint jumping.
Fox Lima Alpha Charlie, Vancouver Tower. Good morning, identified. Cleared midpoint transit for the harbor.
Lima Alpha Charlie, thanks.
Brian, good morning. I'm Eco 695 on gate 70 with Echo requesting push. Airbus 2695, ground. Good day. Pushback, Dr. Discussion.
Second discussion, I'm Echo 695.
Good morning, northbound Jazz Co 915 with you, Juliet. Short of kilo for Echo 88.
So 915, ground proceed Juliet, Mike, and Tango to the apron.
Proceed Juliet, Mike, Tango to the apron, so 915.
Company altimeter, Juliet Alpha Juliet, and confirm hold 36.
Hold short Lima.
Hold short Lima, American 1149. Ground Sunwing 9595, ready for taxi.
Sunwing 9595, runway 26 left. Number 3000, taxi Juliet Bravo Juliet, hold short Lima.
Juliet, Bravo, Juliet, short Lima, Sunwing 9595.
Morning, 11 sir.
Loud and clear, start time.
7 for takeoff runway 26 left.
Go takeoff 26 left, Westjet 160.
Hotel Tango Mike Tower, surveillance service terminate, change en route frequency.
Hotel Tango Mike. Juliet, short of Lima, behind the runway Air Canada 102.
The 536 taxi Mike Tango to the apron, just monitored. 95, contact ground 1217.
Coming 9595.
Air Canada 202 Tower, Delta 7, line up runway 26 left.
Red 4 radio check.
Red 4 lens.
Clear Red 4, thank you.
And a 202.
Charles 103, pushing 26 right.
03, Vancouver, good day. One call for land on 26 right.
Right, 103.
Sir, 995 is ready.
Sir, 952, hold short, runway 26 left.
Sure, runway 26 left, sir, 995. Tower 1
Charlie Golf, we will continue to the Alex 1200.
Romeo, Charlie Golf, proceed below the zone at your discretion.
Romeo, Charlie Golf.
952 Tower, Delta 79 upper, runway 26 left.
Right up 26 left, Delta 79 left.
Contact departure 1323. 52 from Delta 7, clear for takeoff for runway 26 left.
Let's take off runway 26 left, sir, 9952.
Westjet 702 Tower at Delta 79 upper, runway 26 left.
Right, wait, 26 left, Westjet 702. Tower, roll, Charlie Golf, Highway 1, back eastbound.
Player 18 DG Karen, the current contact departure from Delta 7 for takeoff runway 26 left.
6 left, start departure of the turn, 1388.
Canada 202 in the turn.
1,500 eastbound along the number 1 approved, RCC still in the vicinity, running to accept 1500 feet.
Tower, roll, Charlie Golf, that was 4. Canada 202 in the turn.
Air Canada 202, contact departure 132.3.
Have a good one.
Del Tango Mike, were you calling?
That was for Romeo, Charlie Golf.
Romeo Charlie Golf, what was the request?
Romeo, Charlie Golf, Highway 1 back eastbound, please.
Romeo Charlie Golf, 1,500 eastbound along the number 1 approved.
Romeo, Charlie Golf.
Vancouver Tower, hello, Encore 3290, ILS 26 right.
3290 Vancouver, wind calm number 2 behind a 777 short final class for Sherwin, for land runway 26 right.
Good line 26 right, Encore 3290.
03, contact ground 127.
Still down at Westjet 103.
Westjet 702, contact departure 1323.
1323, good morning, what is it?
Morning. Canada 102 Heavy, Tower Delta 79 upper, runway 26 left.
Line up 26 left, Air Canada 102.
Good morning, it's Citation Fox, November Fox on the visual 26 left on the Echo, and 140 left, 4 miles, 160 left, 4 miles.
Foxtrot November, Delta Foxtrot Vancouver Tower. Good morning, sir. Delondra, line 26 left.
Thanks, clear to land 26 left, on the 36.
Vancouver Tower, morning, it's Caravan Fox, Lima Alpha Charlie on the midpoint transit.
Fox Lima Alpha Charlie, Vancouver Tower. Good morning, identified. Cleared midpoint transit for the harbor.
Lima Alpha Charlie, thanks.
Two from Delta 7, clear for takeoff for runway 26 left.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, Air Canada 102.
Sunwing 9595, contact departure 1323. 1149 Tower, caution jet loss at Delta 79 upper, runway 26 left.
26 left, line up American 1149.
All jet 901 Tower, phone service terminated, change route frequency.
Good turn to Heliday 901.